Hi guys, Eloy here. Today I bring you an exercise to develop and improve your alternate picking technique. By the way, if you haven't watched my previous video about the alternate picking technique, I recommend you to go there, watch it, and then come back here, because you will see a lot of tips that are very helpful for you to take this class. Well, with all this being said, let's get started. Okay guys, let's start with the exercise. This exercise is in the key of A minor. It's in 3/4 time signature, so that means we have 3 beats per measure. And I'm going to break it down for you guys so that way you can learn it easily. So we're going to play 16th note, that means we play 4 notes in a beat. Okay, let's start. We have to place our index finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. We play the first 3 notes on the same string, so we play with the index finger on fret number 2 and then with the ring finger on fret number 4 and pinky on fret number 5. The notes are A, B, and C, 2, 4, and 5. Then we go to the next string down and we play on the 2nd string fret number 3, that's a D. So let's play them. Remember that we are working on our alternate picking technique, so that means we are not going to repeat any stroke. And we start with a down pick, okay? So this is down, up, down, up. With this, we complete the first beat, okay? For the second beat, we are going to start playing with the pinky on fret number 6. We play this note, that is an F, with the down pick because we are playing on the beat. Then we go 1 fret down with the ring finger. We play this E over here with the up pick. Then we continue with our index finger on fret number 3. We play this D with the down pick. And then we play with the ring finger on fret number 5 again, an up pick. So the second group of 16ths is. If I put them together, they sound like this. Then we are going to start the next group of 16ths from the same note as we started the second one. So we start again from fret number 6 on the 2nd string. We play it with the down pick. And then we go to the next string down and we play with the index finger on fret number 3, middle finger on fret number 5, and pinky on fret number 7. These notes are G, A, and B. So we start from F, F, then we go to the first string, we play G, A, and B. With this, we have completed the first measure, the first bar. So let's go over this. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then we are going to move up our hand and we place the pinky on fret number 8. We are going to play the same sequence but going in reverse, going backwards. So we start the first group of 16ths by playing this 8, 7, 5, and then on the next string up 8. So we play C, B, A, and on the 2nd string G. We start with down pick again. So we play, okay, again. Then for the second beat of this measure, we are going to start playing from fret number 5 with the index finger, with the down pick. And we play 5, 6, 8, and then we back up to 6. If we play this, it sounds like this. If I put this together, it sounds like this. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay? To complete this bar, to complete this measure, we are going to start the next group of 16ths from the same note, from this E on fret number 5. We play it with a down pick, and then we go to the next string up, and we play with the pinky on fret number 7, middle finger on fret number 5, and index finger on fret number 4. We are playing on the 3rd string, D, C, and B. But we start from this E. So we play E, D, C, and B. The second measure completely is 1, 2, 3. The whole thing sounds like this. So this is the exercise. Okay guys, so this is the exercise. You can get a PDF copy of this at www.eloy6strings.com. And don't forget to follow me in all social medias, and also click on the thumb up button. Leave me a comment if you want. I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. Well, stay in tune because I will be uploading more videos like this, more exercises, more techniques, more of everything. So hope to see you soon. Bye bye.